So this is Tongin Market, Tongin Shijang. Okay, let's go. So I'm with Judy from Changwon. We were together last year in Busan, right? It was cold, but now it's hot in Seoul. So Judy will take me around Seoul today. So let's go.
Go straight.
Go straight, okay. So this is where you change your money to the old coins, the YeouidoN, traditional coins in Korea, right? During the Joseon Dynasty. So what we do, you change this, and then you get the plate, and then you buy food from outside the market. One coin is 500 won. This is the traditional Korean wallet. It's 1,500 won. So now we are back in the market. We have our coins and our plate. So what you have to do when you have the coins, you go around the market and then you choose the food that you like. They will put it in your plate, and then you go back to the restaurant to eat, right? So they have kiwi, orange, what is this? Persimmon, kam, then peach, my favorite in Korea, boksunga, podo. This is Korean pear. Korean pear is super sweet and crispy. And then look at their grapes, and then kimchi, rice cake but with like nuts, songpyeon.
Yeah.
There are different kinds of Korean food. Japchae, what is this? This is tteokbokki, sundae, tteokbokki, yeolchi, bindae-tteok, and then chinelas on the other. So this is japchae. It's for 1,000 won or 2 coins, and then you get that amount of serving. We're having HANGANG tteokbokki. It's not the traditional tteokbokki. It's oil, right? So there are 2 options. This one is spicy, and then the yellow one is not spicy. This is also for 2 coins. So together with my Korean meal, I want to eat peach. So we're asking if we can buy just one. 감사합니다. So this is 계란장 조림. It's quail egg in soy sauce. 3 coins. Thank you. Chicken kebabs with sauce. So it's 3 coins. 1,500.
서비스 좀 드릴게.
Extra tteokbokki. 감사합니다.
맛있어요.
Noodle sausage, noodle corn dog, and then cheese and sausage with potato. More food. And then oh, I think this is cheaper, Judy. And how about the grape? 5,000 for. Is it sweet?
No, it's sour.
Ah, okay. Fried egg roll, 3 coins, 1,500 each. Kimbap, Mayak kimbap, 2 coins. Ah, they only gave 2 pieces. Alright. So when you're done choosing your food, or if you've run out of coins, you go back to the restaurant to eat. So this is the oil tteokbokki. And then this is the regular tteokbokki, right? Kebab. And this is the quail egg in soy sauce. Japchae. After you're done eating, you have to put your trash. You have to separate the tray, the spoon, recycle, lunchbox, and leftover food. So it's very organized. This is the disposable cup that they use. It's paper and it's soft. So this is Tongin Market. It's near Gyeongbokgung Palace. Old Korean movie posters. This is old election poster in Korea. They look like butterfly. Oh, we saw this Tongin Han Yakguk, like Korean traditional pharmacy. It smells so nice from the outside, but according to my friend, it's medicine, traditional medicine. It looks so nice. Okay, so this is DAEOH, the oldest bookstore in Seoul. So IU was here, and then RM also of BTS. So we are going inside the bookstore, but we can't take pictures and videos using the camera, so we can only use the phone, right? But it's funny because I was here a week ago. I stayed here at the Hanok, and I didn't know that there's a popular place here right across. This is inside the cafe bookstore. It was built over 100 years ago. And then now it's a cafe. Tongue twister in Korea.
봄 꿀밤, 단 꿀밤, 가을 꿀밤, 안 단 꿀밤.
So spring chestnut is sweet, but autumn honey is not sweet.
Yeah.
봄 꿀밤, 단 꿀밤, 가을 꿀밤, 안단 꿀밤.
Yeah.
Yay! Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex. Okay. It's hard.
Okay, so that is our tongue twister challenge. So this is the guest house where I stayed when I got here last week. It's very nice and it's very quiet here. And it's very cheap.
How much won?
25,000 won. We found this alley while we were walking, and it's so beautiful. There's flowers and plants and the pathway. It's so pretty here. Katabi lang nung dating pinagsayan ko na guest house. So that's the guest house where I stayed. So this is Judy's gift to me. Peach. Oh, just like your dog. Poodle. So this is the hanok that I saw last week when I came here. And now we can come in. This is 24 guest house. So you can find this on Agoda. It's so pretty inside. So the guest baggages and luggages are outside, but it's bigger compared to the other hanok that I stayed at. GS25. This is my favorite. It's one of the most delicious peach drinks I've tried. So this is my snack, peach drink and peach fruit. So we are going to YEOUIDO for Han River. It's too steep. This is exit number 2 at YEOUIDO Station. So for picnic, you could buy mats, 10,000, 2,000, 3,000 won, depending on the type.
여의도 한강 Park.
Okay, so
Just 한강 Park.
한강 Park.
In 여의도.
Han River Park, right? Cosmos flower. We are going to the convenience store, YEouiDO,
Yeah.
right? And we will eat ramen. Ramen 밥 먹자. Is that right?
Yeah.
So inside the convenience store, you can choose the ramen that you like. So they have this, and then they have jin ramyeon. Here are all of the noodles or ramen that you could choose from. They have jin ramyeon. I think I'll have this. It's not very spicy. But if you're adventurous, they also have the bultakbokgmyeon, and then like black variants, spaghetti. Everything is 3,000 won. So after you've chosen your ramen, you come outside and then you mix it. You mix the noodles and the seasoning. And then we have to go to the counter to get hot water. 3 minutes? So after 3 minutes, it's ready and now you're ready to eat your HANGANG ramen. So you can do picnic here, bring food, and then rent tent by Han River. And then if you have the mat, you can have a picnic too without the tent. Judy is unboxing the snacks.
Milk candy.
That's very popular in the Philippines.
Thank you. And her.
And a letter. Hyunji. Sobrang sarap dito sa Han River kasi kahit na gabi, kahit madaming tao, cool yung air. So parang for me, perfect time lang pumunta dito ng October. Kasi last time nandito ako ng November. Sobrang ginaw. So as in walang tao. Tapos ito yung Han River. Dito naman pwede mag-picnic. And then ito yung YEOUIDO building. Sobrang nakaka-relax dito kahit madaming tao. Hindi siya sobrang rowdy yung crowd. Yay! Han River Park! So we are done here at Han River and we are going to, where are we going? What place?
It's samgyeopsal.
Muhan Samgyeop, right? So let's go! Unlimited Samgyeopsal! So for now, we are going to skip Samgyeopsal and eating at Loteria instead.
주문하실 제품을 선택해 주세요.
Chicken, fries, and like Oreo tornado, okay, and then 2 pieces of chicken. Everything for 8,300 won. So I'll try the chicken. They have to bust their own table and the trash. That's my Seoul trip with Judy. So last time we went to Busan, this time in Seoul. So next time maybe Changwon or Philippines.
Yeah.
Right? Bye bye. Thank you for touring me. Kumawo. Annyeong. Take care. See you again. Aww.